So today I'm going to teach you how to paint a very simple rock. So for that I have taken little black, brown, orange and white. You can use color as per your choice. So yeah, let's get started. So with my brush I'm taking little brown and black. I want this color to be little dark but not exactly the black color. So with this, say I'm giving shape to a rock. Actually, I'm painting it all very dark so that it might be easy for you. But there are so many ways to do it. See, we can leave some parts for light. So it will be very easy if you follow these steps to paint rocks. Okay, see, this is the first step, right? So for the next step, I'll take little orange and little brown maybe. Very little, this is too much. And maybe mix little white there. Okay, with this color, see, I'm just gonna paint it this way in the rock. Yeah, I want this color and this color, in the mid tone to blend it. Yeah. Maybe a small one here. Not very big, but a small one. There are so many ways to do it. But I think I'm teaching you the simple way to paint it. Okay. See? Okay, now I'll mix little more white in the orange, and then with this color I'll put it in some places where I want the rocks to be bright. See? Maybe little bit here, maybe little one. Yeah. See? 3 colors and you get a very beautiful rock here. I used the dark tone, the mid tone and the light tone, or if you want you can add little white in some places to make it very light. So let's see, let's try it maybe, but I don't want to overdo it, remember, and you must not do it as well. See, maybe little one here, here and here. Okay, I guess this is a very simple way to paint it. In my previous videos I showed you how to paint this sky, little clouds with fan brush, and in another video I showed you how to make these little trees and grasses with fan brush. This time I showed you how to make the simple rocks with brush. Now I'll show you how to make a simple rock with palette knife. Same way, see, I'll take little dark and little brown. Now I'll take color at the edge of the knife. Yeah, and if you want the tutorial of palette knife, I have done it. Please check the link below. Okay, with this color I'm just gonna pull it the way I want my rock to be. See, maybe some more here. Yeah, please comment below what you want to paint me next for the beginners, and it will be easy for everyone, I guess. Okay, this is the basic shape for the rock, and now I'll take little orange and little brown and maybe just a little white. Okay, with this color I'm just gonna pull it very randomly, see? Yeah, I'm pressing my palette knife a bit harder in some places and a bit softer in some places. Okay, yeah, maybe I want a little more this side. Remember, you can use any color you want to paint. This is just a simple way I'm showing you, right? Maybe I want little dark colors here in some places. Yeah. Okay. Now again I'll use little bright. See, with all these three tones we can make a beautiful rock, a simple and beautiful rock. Okay, now only in some places, see? Yeah. Okay, see, I think this looks beautiful. Very simple for beginners, right? If we want, we can paint little grass there. Very simple. See? You don't need to work much there. Yeah. Just a little effect, you know. It's raining outside today. We have a very chill weather here. Okay, see? Just a simple way. Nice. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. We'll meet again very soon. Till then, goodbye, bye-bye, take care. And please let me know what you want to learn next, and I'll make a video about that. Bye-bye, take care.